Yes, alright, great. I don't need to listen to this bullshit. And you all left.
Just came here to hear the stream start and now you left. That's insane.
Yeah.
Let's see, I'm gonna put the chat up.
Oh, I got a ping, some dumbass is live.
Damn. I hate that dumbass so much.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. We are back!
No.
Oh, we aren't?
No.
Let's see. We are going to continue. I think I want to do the equipment item right now. Or maybe we should fix the incorrect height of the chest. Nah, we're gonna do equipment! Equipment, what should we do? We're gonna do something that is... We don't even need to do it first, like...
Highly illegal.
Illegal? Equipment item illegal? What? How should we do this? A little bit interesting. Let's see. If you go to... Is it gonna be like the other items? Is it gonna be like one of them? Or is it gonna be something different? That's the question. Do we just put it... Because equipment items you don't... Well, I guess you could stack them. In that sense. I'm just thinking about how Risk of Rain does it. I guess it could be fine. But you don't wanna... Well, actually, what we could do... We do have the spec here. And we do have the descriptor model icon. We could actually do... It's equipment. Simple as that. It's equipment. Equipment. So we're doing this freeze time kind of thing. I'm thinking maybe to do... Yo, what's up, Tuang Hung? Welcome to the stream. How have you been?
Yo, it's Tuang Hung.
It's Tuang Hung.
Bro, it's the goat.
Okay.
It's the goat. And that's why it's the goat.
You feel like staying late today? Sure. So what do you have been up to? We have been up. We have been cooking. We have been cooking so much. Or Harold has been cooking a lot. He just made another. He just made another PR. Believe it or not. And look at.
Wow.
The mouse.
Did you already port everything?
What? Yeah.
Oh, what? It's so fast. What?
Well, you know, it was with the help of God. Like there was a lot of function signature that had to be changed. I was like, I'm not going to do all of those manually.
Yeah, no, exactly, bro. That's what I said. I
was like,
I warned you.
I'm not doing
Okay,
that.
so this is the new windowing.
But look, it doesn't freeze. Well, it's kind of hard to see it here, but if you press here, you can see now the cursor is also gone. And if I do this, it doesn't freeze.
Yeah, bro. I have delivered on my promises.
Yeah, and then we can probably slow down the mouse sensitivity now because it is fast now.
Yeah, it's because back in yes, it was actually very slow.
Well,
yeah.
I guess it wasn't slow because I guess it was right.
But it was incorrect. No, it was incorrect. It was incorrect.
The logic was accurate, but just because it froze, it became slower.
Yeah, but this doesn't freeze, and also this is doing it the correct way.
Yeah.
So yeah.
What do you guys think about the spaceship that you're? This is the spaceship, by the way.
Colliders, yes, exactly. But by the way, Lubas, if you try to rebind something, if you go to the rebinding screen, rebind.
Rebinding, this is feature creep, okay?
No, it's already here.
It was
but
done
if you
already.
try to just rebind something.
Okay, we'll do this to E. Oh fuck! I shouldn't do that because well, whatever. I guess we'll see what happens. Yeah, I can.
Okay, so it does. Okay, so
I'm pressing E right now. Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
For a chat, I just want to say for the chat, like in the poll, I take in a writer that you can use to get the correct like text with like all special characters like well, you know that shit.
Wait.
So, yeah.
You have been looking for a job? Of course, I've been looking for a job. I don't get one though.
Nah, it's finished.
Every job is like Java or web development. And I'm like, Zig.
Zig. Did you know Zig?
or graphics program Vulkan, but you rarely find those as junior positions.
Oh, really? You say?
Oh, the UI is good. If I remember correctly, you made it yourself. Yeah, the UI is self-made.
Donald.
Donald did well. It's the how the logic works is It's just self-made quads and immediate mode rendering and immediate mode. And then Donald made this thing. He put this together to make it look good because I just had the tools, but I didn't put the time in to make it nice. He made it nice, and he added also the fade. That is slightly going here. I guess you can't really see it.
Fade, low to fade.
Yeah.
You know what? I am actually surprised how good the windowing is holding up. Like,
it is.
There's a very minimal amount of testing.
Look. Let's see. Like it doesn't have that weird artifact when you scaled it. Do you remember?
Yeah, try running into X11 as well.
How do I? Oh, XCB. XBC or what?
Dash XDG XDG. Yeah.
Wait, Zig
So simply
build.
run dash. After run.
After.
You do dash and then dash again. Yeah.
Dash again.
No, and then XDG equals X11. XDG. Yeah, G like GG, you know.
Is it GG like that?
No, DG.
DG.
XD
Yeah. Okay. And then
Desktop.
equals X11.
oh.
Time to use. Okay, it's probably just because wait. Do run where is, and then you want to find lib, and then big X 11 .so. Okay, so you do have it. That's weird. I don't know, but who needs X11?
We'll fix it later. It's not the
Yeah.
point of
But
the
Lucas
stream.
then doesn't have to render dog.
Yeah, I mean
Oh,
it
true,
should work.
but-
Like I've tested it.
But I'm probably not gonna be needing render doc today. We're not changing actual render logic today.
Yeah, I don't know. Like it works fine for me. X11, but, I know it works on my machine.
It's,
It's also on my machine.
But you know,
But-
but you have all the code there, so you can just change it if you want to, or make it
Yeah.
I guess.
But I wanna focus on today's topic, which is equipment.
Yeah,
We're
but also-
adding an equipment, and Donald just sent me a message.
Equipment. I don't know.
Yeah, it's funny.
What do you mean?
Wait.
What do you mean it's equipment, bro?
Because it's an
Null.
item.
Optional. God damn it,
Why would I make it
bro.
an?
Optionals.
No, bool. It's easier.
Because now you're gonna make a boolean called is equipment, and then you're gonna have another variable called equipment, right?
No.
What the hell is? What is equipment? What?
Equipment is just like any other item. It's just that it doesn't come up in the inventory. It comes up in the.
So how do you
inventory
know which one is the equipment then?
slot. I just checked this bool.
A boolean is gonna tell you exactly what item it is.
No, because you add an item here, and then now all of these are not an equipment, and at some point you will find. Let's say if I wanted icicle to be an equipment, I would put true on this one over here.
Bro, what? Okay. Oh, you mean like you mean okay? The items in themselves are equipment. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you meant like the way you're going to store the active equipment.
No. Well, we'll wait. Yeah. Okay. No. You can only have one equipment
okay.
at a time.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's funny
Yeah.
because I sent Donald that we just added the new windowing manager. And then I asked him the question. Wait, I think I can leak our DMs on. Wait, do I dare to leak our DMs?
SpongeBob is the first thing I see. God damn.
Okay, here. Okay, good. I can leak our DMs. Good. So here, hello. Just merged Harold's window implementation. Does it run on Windows? I ask him, and he's like, I don't know. Thanks.
You can run it through Wine. You
No, I
have
can't
Wine.
because I
Lucas.
don't have pass-through on the GPU, so I don't have a GPU that supports.
Damn.
Okay.
And then
Well,
here's my
that's shit, but-
problem.
Yeah.
Be good.
Wait, but I mean, I've tested it like a lot on through Wine at least, so it should just kind of work, do its thing, you know. But macOS, yeah, if you go to like window/coco .sig, because
let
that's
me tell him that
always what it's
if
called.
he can try it. Rephrase my question. Can you try it on Windows? This fucking guy.
Bro, Windows, it's almost hard to make it not work on Windows, because Windows is just, it's really simple, but you just have to kind of know what you're doing, because nothing is actually clear, and names don't actually
Was
tell
it
you
Cocoa?
anything, so you kind of just have to know. Yeah, you see, this is macOS implementation of windowing. Do you like it?
Oh, that's a crazy implementation.
Yeah, it does nothing. Nothing. Pretty amazing, am I right?
Holy shit.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff, but go into Wayland. Windows is the simplest one.
Yeah, I was already in this one. I was looking at it, I was like, holy fuck, what the fuck? What is
And
X11?
Xlib is, I also have like every single definition of all the things I need, and all the function procs and everything is in here, so this file is like self-contained basically.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. But all the like windowing stuff is actually at the top. This is just like the library, so I don't.
Yeah.
Because finding like libraries for Xlib, like auto-generated for like Zig, is like really hard, and just they're always so shit. So it's just this is the best way actually.
Okay. So we're continuing on with this thing. Is equipment.
These ugly items.
Hello, Penguin Operator. How are you? Welcome to the stream. How have you been? We're gonna add. What should we call the item that stops time? A timer. Stop hourglass. What should the equipment be called?
Shower glass.
Shower glass.
Shower glass. That's a great one.
Freezer.
It freezes time.
Should we put
Yeah,
the
you have a- you
freezer
carry an
like
entire
an
freezer.
actual freezer? I think that's
Yeah.
great. Let's go with freezer.
Oh shit,
Yeah, I
you,
think-
you call it timeline semaphore.
Oh yeah, well, that's a great name.
I don't know if people would understand that plays the game. I think let's just put in freezer and
Bro.
put this as the equip.
No. Yes, that's great, but you can also call it the monotonic time freezer. That's also great.
Milliseconds, high performance clock.
Pauser.
Clock could also just be quite.
Multi-threaded.
Nah,
Clock
clock is
also-
boring, bro. Freezer.
Freezer. We'll
It's
go
not-
with
it's a
freezer.
freezer.
Call it
filled with
Glock.
clocks.
Call it
Bro.
Glock.
No, it's a freezer filled with clocks, bro. A freezer filled with clocks.
You know, I still have to
No,
make
the
this
world,
damn
you know the
model.
world.
I still
Yeah,
have
but
to.
that's your problem. That's your problem, bro.
I'm not gonna be
Future
able to.
you,
Have
bro.
a block of cheese. Trust me, it'll work out, bro. I swear.
Yeah. A freezer
If you look up the world JoJo, okay? That time stop ability looks like a fucking cheese. It looks like a cheese head, bro.
The world
and so the
JoJo?
reference will be amazing, bro.
Dojo, mojo.
Yeah, look at this motherfucker. Look at him. No, this is not it. It was on the wiki page. Go
This is
back.
not it.
Yeah, he's right there, the cheese man. Look at him. This guy stops time in the fucking manga, alright? Look at him.
Zawaldo.
Manga, but I only watch hentai.
Hey, Harold, we don't speak like
No
this.
saying on stream is crazy.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry, we're live.
Okay, but do we just put
Yeah.
the freezer? I think we'll put the freezer as the item.
Oh yeah, a freezer.
It makes sense.
That's a great
Freezer?
name.
Hardly know.
Bro, spell freezer correctly, please, bro.
Freezer.
I have dyslexia and I can spell better than this.
Isn't
Like,
that
bro,
a,
god damn,
isn't that a,
bro.
is,
No,
that,
it's two sets.
is it M1E?
God damn.
Is it like that?
Yeah, this ain't Finnish, alright?
What?
Yeah, that's cool.
Wait,
I
are you
just-
sure?
And this is how I googled it, bro. You sure about that? Who's going
Right,
with
Harold, I think you
dyslexia
might
here,
be
bro?
wrong on this one.
Or I might be. Well, yeah, but yeah.
Like, I'm also
Yeah,
not,
okay.
but it should be double E in one Z, I
Wait,
think.
guys, I think we've had this conversation on how to spell freezer before. Like a year ago.
I think it's with TV, bro. I'm just saying. I think
Wait,
it
what the
is-
fuck? What is there to argue about?
okay.
You guys okay?
Fine.
Wait, you know you're trolling. You're trolling me. You're trolling me.
The spelling, bro.
It's just
Spell
that,
it, please.
so, guys. So welcome
No.
for people who don't know. This is the starting. This is the first appetizer of Harold Rage bait of the stream.
Appetizer, bro. I thought we were already like eating, you know, like since long time. What he doesn't know is that I have implanted malware into the windowing, and now his app is gonna be like broken.
It's actually crazy
And when he ships it,
how you got malware with so little amount of code.
yeah, you know, I embedded a binary inside of the thing, but it's all white space, right? And then I have like a separate thing that loads it and runs it. It's in a
It's encoded using
space.
white spaces into binary that it's then encoded to the actual
Yeah.
virus.
Yeah, exactly. You get it.
The amount, like, as soon as I just add an extra white space in any of the files, it just breaks.
Yeah, exactly. It's all broken now. Like, nope, nothing works now.
I wonder though.
You added a heart, bro. You added a heart, bro.
For region, what was I supposed to do for region, bro?
No, but okay. Well, there's like a bunch of stuff like a big D or little D,
What the fuck?
or system D.
Should
Well, that's not really region.
is there a should I do nothing else should really actually give? I don't think it's worth doing it as a stat maybe, unless if I actually get it to be more or less something that other things can affect as well.
That's boring. See, I'm already falling asleep.
Oh shit. We'll do it without any stats field until I find a reason for it. I think that makes sense.
Oh, the stats are so bad, bro. They're so bad. This entire item system is so bad.
No, it's good. Okay.
Bro, like I really love the consistency here. You have like dot model equals object slash lightning with all lowercase, and then a little bit like, what the hell is rabbit's foot, bro? What are you doing? Bro? I hope it's
Oh,
coming from
holy
Zootopia.
object names, bro.
Yeah, and the files are completely bullshit as well. Like, bro.
Hey, if you wanna, you're free to come up with great ideas. Just don't shit on them, all right?
You know what? You could use compile time to just get all the model and icon paths, you know, and then you wouldn't need to specify them.
Yeah,
Ooh, holy shit, who is this guy?
Yeah, who is this guy?
but that's also assuming that.
Wait. Harold, what if we hardcode the path? Yes, he hardcoded the path. Yeah.
Yeah, but you
That's
see,
good.
but that also means that you have to actually name it correctly. So it's actually enforcing good rules upon you.
That's actually pretty true.
Yes, it's so cool.
But the thing is, Lucas, you're weak, so you won't do it. I like that bro really did not think about this until now.
Wait, Lucas, if he does this, it'll be fucking insane. You know how you do you generate your planet based on SDF, I think,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You know you can navigate using SDF as well, right? Pretty cheaply. Think about it, right? Like, because you know you can query at any point with the distance to like
Yeah. Let us sink in.
bro, like I've been thinking about SDFs and navigation for some time, bro. I don't know. There have been like robotics papers and stuff on this, but I think it's something you should look into. I'm not smart enough to actually
Like I do use the SDF for collision detection with the planet,
Sure.
but I don't use it for other things than that.
But yeah, in order to do that, you would have to describe all collidable geometry as a SDF.
Yeah,
But,
right now I just use the position point.
Yeah.
Well, no, you don't really, because it's enough to just get the points. You can still just check that every point, I guess. Because I don't want the geometry to be aligned with the gradient or the slope of the hill. I want it to always be pointing down to the center of the planet. So if you walk on a high slope, you will still be like walking upright from the center of the planet and not from the surface that you're walking on.
Yep.
So in that sense, I don't really need to be that complex about the collision detection, because I just need it to be enough to just recognize those things. Another thing is also, which I'm thinking of doing, is surface. No, what is it called? I'm using surface nets for the generation, but for also to reuse that for the nav mesh for the enemies. Because what I can do is that when I generate the whole planet, you know, everything is just a triangle basically in the mesh basically, and then I use the SDF to generate the mesh, and every single one of these points are a cell basically. So
then airborne enemies have to be pretend airborne, or you have to have some other solution, I guess.
The airborne entities, basically, what they can do is because of the SDF, when they fly, like they will use the SDF to check that they are not falling into the ground, that they have a specific height. That's what I do right now. Okay. But what you can also do is that, let's say there is a cave, right? They can already check with their own bounding box, are they large enough to fit in here? Because if the SDF is smaller than their size, they already know they can't fit inside of the cave. So there's no point in trying to do that. There was something, but I'm still like working on how to solve like all of that. I haven't really gone into concrete problems with it. But I do know that I do have a lot of possibilities with the SDF here. Wait, what is the description of the freezer? Freeze time. For how long? 10 seconds right now, just to test. And then we will do, it will be the model.
What if you could, like, I don't know, use compile time to make the descriptions as well?
But how would you be able to do that?
Because you would, you see the freeze time for 10 seconds. Well, 10 seconds is hard-coded, isn't it?
Yes, but it's, this means that it doesn't matter how many you get of this, you can only get one, but it will always give you just 10 seconds of a freeze. Icicles give you 5% chance to stun per one you get, and this one is 15% chance to block, diminishing, meaning it's you can never reach basically one with it, no matter how many stacks you get.
Yeah, that's boring.
So it's with compile time it would be nice, but I'm not. It's every item has like a special case of how it. Well, not every. Most of them follow this. That per item you get this.
Boring.
But yeah, item .glb is item capitalized. Let's see.
Is it a type?
Why do you even have both name schemes?
Because if the texture or object
because it isn't consistent.
Yeah, I'm not consistent, but I like the Herald thing of doing it compile time.
Where is
Bro, like I would never do this like this. I would just immediately do it compile time because I would realize immediately how shit it is gonna be for me. Because I would probably do like spelling wrong or some shit, or you know, like compile time is kind of like guarantees that shit is just going to be correct.
But you realize his argument, like I think his argument is that since every single thing is unique, like you could do that, but you have to support some set of, you know, generic behavior that you specify the parameters of in.
No.
Actually, what is generic? If there are a lot of things that are generic among all of them, like they all have a name, they all have an icon, they all have a. Yeah, maybe then
but but you see, we can get the icon and model from the name.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm agreeing with you that it would be better, but I'm not. That's not my focus of today's stream. It's my focus to add this item.
Yes, but I know it is inside of a function right now, which is kind of retarded, but whatever. But you can call functions at compile time, so it's whatever.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Like, why do you even have it in a function?
It was because this one returns. What was the reason? It was with the internet protocol, because I get back an integer that represents which item I'm talking about.
Lubas. Okay, so I'm just saying, right, that you can. So everything in this spec function here can be done at compile time, because in the default is compile time as well, right? So everything here in the spec is known at compile time, right? And we know all the names in spec, right? So we could basically generate the enum based on that.
But it needs to be. Wait, let me show you also, because I do have this thing. It's an item, and then it's a union of those that then I use in here.
You can generate a union too.
Oh my god. You want to change the whole entity system to just become compile time.
Well, not the entire entity system, but just the items, because like from what I'm seeing here, everything here could just be determined by like a very small thing. You wouldn't need to make the like enum for the item and all that stuff, and I don't know.
Hey, look at check out my pull request.
You did a PR? Nice.
I peed on your order last. No, just
Yeah, I peed on.
Wait, what? What have you added? Captain, do I dare to?
I think I've seen it, and yeah, it's pretty good.
Is it the one that you have been working on? Wait.
Yeah.
Do I?
It's been here for a month. I guess never have opened the pull request.
I can't even see it.
Don't do it. It's a bomb. No, I'm just kidding. It's got a virus in it. It's got. You can do executable stuff in GLB.
Wait, you actually set the whole blend file also.
Yeah. What do you mean?
No. I haven't. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. No. I wanna keep percent. I'm not gonna start sending shit over Discord. Fuck it. Fuck that shit.
Should I first look at it in normal? You have it in...
You can look at it in Blender or whatever you want to as well.
We can... Can I cannot check out to the branch because you still have it in your own like fork, right? So I have to take it from there first.
You can't check it out.
Yeah, because it's on your fork, right? I can't do it then.
Sure. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's on my fork, but
project friends, maker, or do I have you already? I do not.
Do you want me on what? On path? The fuck?
Do you call it? Is it like that?
Oh hell no! When the police come, they're gonna see my username on here. Hell no. You misspelled it, but it's alright.
Okay, great.
Hey, Luber.
It's Luber. Let's see it. It's big cloning. It's cloning until tomorrow, guys. Ah, God damn, water is awesome. Who loves water here? Nobody?
Like coffee more.
I love it here.
You love it? Sure, T-shirt, my boy.
Yeah, it's like every 5 minutes you hear like a boom, like him opening his like metal like this is like water bottle or something or canteen and drinking from it. Things we don't hear it, but we do.
Yeah, no. But yeah, what also Harold with your item thing, I don't know. I tried to do it once. I probably did it wrong because it complained about not knowing the enum during runtime. It only knew during what's it called? Compile time.
Perhaps it's because you have it inside the file goddamn function. Okay, but if you send me this entire like item thing and the spec and all of that stuff, alright, I'm gonna send you back some stuff. Right?
This thing.
I don't need the stats. I just need the pubconst item stuff.
So you mean from here to here, this thing?
There. Yeah, you send me that, and I'm gonna send you back something, and you can look at it and you say kind of, you know. Whatever.
I cannot say it, but you have the repo. Can you just look at it? Yes.
No, I don't wanna. You can send it, bro. You can.
I can't send it over Discord. It's too large. This thing.
You can send it. You just press W. I mean Control V, and then you just press Enter 2 times, and it's gonna send us a file.
This. Pressing Enter does nothing.
Okay, Lucas is struggling. I guess I'll just open it.
Oh wait, here's something. Upload as file. Okay, I got it.
Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you. I hope it's not fucked.
It's totally fucked because it's your code.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. It might be old shit. I might have to update it on.
I'm gonna do. Should I open it in Blender first to check it out? Just that I
Yeah, you
understand
can
what
you
it
can
should
look at
look
it in
like.
Blender. Yeah.
Ah! And then we go to home, where is projects? I guess I could just go to here and then friends, where is F there? There, and then we can go to class assets, what did I say? Objects, and then
Objects.
open there, let's see.
Yes. Okay. And all of the stuff isn't linked. Okay, that's fine. But that's fine because I don't actually use it. So the reason it's pink is because this I don't pack the HDRI background that I'm using. So, but obviously that's not included when you export it. So.
Okay.
And also this Minecraft awe animation is just an animation just to have one. It's fully like that joints and stuff. They're all bendable and stuff, and for the joints I haven't made, obviously. Yeah, I've learned a lot since making this, and yeah, don't do this. Now I just play. No. You can try moving him and posing him and stuff if you pause it, and there you go. Yeah. And try.
Okay.
I'll be back in a moment. I just got to review some code. Jesus.
But do I have to press I for insert, I guess.
Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what keybinds you're using. They're probably the cooked Blender ones, but.
No, the insert did not work. It said, what did it say? Key set failed, insert any keyframe.
Weird. You can go to key. I know in the menu you can just go to key and then add a keyframe or whatever. There's a key menu button.
Key menu button?
It's in the top of that region. Like it says view select marker channel key, and then if you press that and then insert keyframes.
Oh, it's
okay, then press key.
Okay, I see. Okay, now I got.
Yeah, and I can add like IK and stuff like that as well. So I've figured out how to do that correctly as well. It's spoiler alert, it's pretty cancer.
Damn.
But I made other like simple guy, but at least he has working joints. Yeah, but this is
Oh shit.
There.
Oh, let's see. What are you cooking?
I'm doing it all wrong, bro.
Yeah, take note of what that being.
Look at that. That's perfect.
Yeah, sure. Also, the yeah. I mean, if you have a looping animation, in my mind, generally what you would do is to have the exact same pose that you're ending with as you're starting with, right?
Yeah.
That's why it doesn't look like it's looping now. Yeah.
No, it's
So and one cool thing you can do is you can just copy and paste, keyframe sets. Like everything you've keyed on a frame can be copied. If you just go to that frame and then copy it. Kind of.
Yeah.
I don't even know if you necessarily have to be on that frame.
What's going on? Who is dying?
What?
That's a cell tower we just heard.
Key insert.
You can just press T, I think, or what does it say there?
It's I, but it's
Oh, I. Oh, okay.
But I does a key set failed insert any keyframe.
Oh, okay. Well, you can change it to another hotkey, but that's probably going to be taken by something else. Which Blender is hooked presets, so yeah. Yeah, you don't want to like when you're adding stuff. Like I mean, you can change this frame, but make sure to copy it and paste at the beginning as well.
Yeah.
I haven't figured out how to like link keyframes yet, so only selected channel there. Because now it's not gonna loop anymore. Okay, now it's good.
Fire.
Yeah, I could add but but we're skipping a lot of weight paint, kind of. I'm half weight painting, so I'm not really I'm assigning them manually. But the reason I can do that is because this is all subdivisions. If you ever done CAD or whatever, you know what subdivisions are.
CAD,
I mean,
but I have subdivided in Blender to get more.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So what you do is you have very basic polygonal geometry, then you manually assign weights to that,
Yes.
and then if you make a subdivision modifier, it propagates the weights very well.
Okay.
So that's the trick, I guess, to doing as little work as possible. But otherwise, there's tons of cancer shit. Like you have to. I haven't figured out a way to automate setting up like something called a vertex group for each joint or bone automatically. You probably do with Python, but I can't be arsed.
Okay. Huh. Interesting. It's actually pretty convenient to do it. I don't know. I haven't done normal like animations though either really with except I did do the Venboso walk animations or those I used to do for the first time I did them. But yeah, and the hit.
It's actually stream making. Let me see, IK for this.
But yeah, let's add the freezer item. I still need to make. Well, we're gonna do it like this first, and we need a slot for it as well. Is it okay if we continue now with the freezer item? I think I'm gonna add another view. I'm gonna continue on with the freezer.
Yeah, for sure.
And then I'm gonna close this one. We're gonna go into client, put this, open it up in here, and then we're gonna go in here. We're gonna pick it up, shared, and open that as well. So that we can go in here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up. We need to kind of like the UI. We have now a little bit. I think I should probably run it so we can actually see it. Let's run it. Yeah. The item on its own should already exist. That is right. Why can I not spell at all? Sig. Sug. I can't. Sug. Sig. Nailed it. Let's try again. So it's done building. There, boom. And then we can stop those. And let's see if I were to go into here, and then we can go in there, play a controller. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace this. Oops. And I'm gonna take this, and we're gonna change this to give ourselves the freezer. Like so. So now if I press F1, we get the freezer. It says freeze time for 1 second. It's in the wrong spot, right, guys? We don't want to see it there. We want to see it in our systems HUD and then game. Then we're gonna go to the inventory over here. We do the inventory, and then for every item that we iterate here, add inventory as parent, and then we don't want to do this if item kind for if amount 0 continue, and I guess yes, amount text we could still keep that, but now depending on if it's a inventory element or if it's like a normal item or if it's equipment, we want it to be, I don't know where to put it. I think I will put it down here in the right corner for now. I don't know, we'll put it there. So we can do a simple if item is that what we're gonna do? No, we're gonna do shared spec item spec, and then we're gonna do the item kind dot is equipment. We will do this. What? Did I still fuck it up somehow? I think I did. What? Okay. Somehow I've got the parentheses wrong. I want this and I want this inside of it. Without any dumbass problems. Okay, that should be fine. And then I should be able to do that, and that should be okay. And then it's not okay. Why is it not okay? Why is this not fine? If I do if I should be able to just put it there. What the fuck? The same thing. Ah, I forgot the parentheses. Obviously. Damn. And let's see, that should still be the same way. It should still auto load, and we should still be getting, right, we get the item twice. We get item and item, but then at the end of this thing, we'll just do continue. So we'll take the next item. So this is now equipment. So now we should put it back to being 1 over there. There, boom. Now it's considered an equipment. What we'll do now is that we will not put it in the inventory. I think we'll put it just in the... Is it just HUD? Parent will be HUD. And it will be color texture.
Back.
Welcome back. And then we'll put it... We should probably not even have a description on it, but let's see. I do not have a size. That is okay. What we'll do is a... This will put it in an inconvenient spot. We actually need another parent, I guess, that would say that it's at the bottom, because this will now move the item to be there. Oh shit. Actually, we don't even want it in here. Holy fuck. We want it just in the bottom left, so is there no parent for it then? I guess there is no parent for it, it's just null.
Well, actually, I can just send up for them.
Okay. And then new color there. So now we have it up there in the top right. Do I want it to be... I think if I made it, it would be easier if I made another placeholder for... Ooh, we actually need kind of like a... It will be abilities and, well, equipment. So I guess abilities. Abilities make sense. That's what it will be in the end either way. So we'll do a UI add null, and then we'll do the we'll do where do I put the help? I think the helper is absolute. Or do I have something that belongs to, let's see, add help bar. Because if it has this, it could use, let's see, UI orgs. No, there is nothing, just says that it, and then there is, yeah, nothing. Because the helper
Yeah.
would actually belong to the same place. Like a bottom kind of thing. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it. Easiest, okay, I will do easiest first, then I will move when I see how I would like to. So we're gonna do this, we're gonna do the same way, and then what we're gonna do is offset is a left UI width, what do we have? Screen width, subtracted the inventory, we'll still use the same thing, I guess, yeah. Top, and that is UI screen height subtracted with the inventory height, like so, and that should put it in the bottom right corner, or not. What? Oh, it's the whole inventory. Wait, I would just want the icon. Wait, that should be it. Add parent texture. Okay, actually that's, oh yeah, that's actually more what I want. Wait, texture size, amount, texture. Am I thinking it's wrong? No, it shouldn't be, because this is the actual. How do I get the inventory? Here. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking this completely wrong. I guess it makes, that's actually weird. That's not what I should be doing. I want it to just be at the bottom. I could just say 60 times 60 and that would be fine. I will go with that. I need to rethink that a little bit, but for now we'll just say equipment. Const equipment size, and I do have it in here. Size, that should be in here. Size 2D, or is it actually for? Oh no, it's from the UI. So it's public. You're joking. Let's see, size 2D. I could make it public just out of convenience to actually use it right now in other places. Let's see. So then we can do size 2D is equal to height will be equipment size height. Sure, we'll go with it 60. And then width 60. And then we just change it in here to be the same thing. That's funny. Why doesn't equip size dot height? And then we'll take this one. Size that width. This one width. Like so. And that should put it in the bottom right now. After there, boom. Clearly you can see what that is supposed to mean. Oh my days. That's crazy. Okay, let's see. And then tooltip, shared inventory item. That should still show the tooltip, but I guess it doesn't. Let's see if I get a random item now. Should still show it, yeah. Oh no, now I have two of those. Yeah, you shouldn't be able to pick up if you already got one of those. But that's the thing we're gonna fix in a bit. Yeah. Okay. What
So
is
Luber,
the
are you gonna do LOD in your game?
a little D?
Level of detail.
Oh, LOD. If I ever get to the point where performance is an issue with that, yes, I will.
Okay. Well, I think it's just gonna like having LOD or not. It's gonna limit how many enemies can be on screen, I guess. But if you don't go over that limit, then there's no point in implementing it. I guess.
Yeah, no. I have right now 100, and that
Wait,
it's,
wait.
the bottleneck is not that I have 100 entities. The bottleneck is actually just the network protocol trying to handle 100 entities.
Lucas. Did
Yeah.
you make the chest smaller?
Oh yeah, the chest is smaller. It's just a bit offset is still using the old logic where the chest was
Oliver, did you
larger.
say
Yeah.
that the networking is the main issue?
Uh-huh.
You know,
I already know what
because
you're gonna say.
well, no, because what it is already compile time, so I can't say it again. You know.
Attention,
No,
please.
but
Oh, wait.
you
There
could-
is
Any UDP
Hello
doors?
Nexus. How are you? Welcome to the stream. It's going great.
Well,
We're just super focused on talking
I don't know,
about
really.
fixing stuff. I guess. I don't know. Super
but
focused.
that's working. If you could make it like asynchronous, you know.
But it is asynchronous.
Mm,
It is using a completely separate thread to do all of the networking. Right?
Oh, that's so asynchronous of you.
Or well, I mean, okay, in the sense of it's okay. Yeah, I'm still like processing the commands with the same single thread, but I'm like receiving them in one thread, so and sending in another. Like,
I mean, your program is asynchronous and multi-threaded as long as it opens more threads, right? Like that's all you need to do.
You guys making a game? Yeah, that's cool. We're making a game. It's still on review to be up on Steam for playtest. But it's not about, it's about sending smaller packets and less frequent. That is the biggest I could do right now, which I'm also probably gonna be able to do once I get the AI movement using splines and the surface nets flow fields. Yeah.
Really?
Flow fields, because then I can just say that this is the path you're supposed to take, and I just provide the points. I don't need to tell it to update its direction as soon as it updates. I can just, and the client can be like, all right, that's good. Looking similar to Peak. What? I'm not a game but a graphics designer doing this for 6 years. Awesome. Yeah, no. It's not Peak. It's Risk of Rain that we're trying to do. I guess you don't see it really. It's not. It's more. This is more of playtest area. It's not an actual. I don't spawn in enemies yet or anything like that. So. Yeah. It's alright. It's alright. Oh, okay. Wait. Let me see. I'm thinking I'm gonna change this to on the Y. No, the X. I'm gonna change this to start. So we'll get the number. We could probably scale it up also a little bit. Did I put it? Yeah, I did put it on the right thing. Equipment here. So I guess we could make it a little bit larger. Maybe 100 might be a bit too much, but I want to try it. And then also another thing I would like to try is the text amount, text size, text amount, size. I think we can change this to a 48 size. You play games on stream too? Only my own game.
So that's a lie. He played
No.
Mac. He played Mac once.
Okay, I played Muck once. That's true.
No. Harold, you forgot the one time where we played Super
Super
Tax
Tax
Card with
cards.
him.
Oh yeah, we
That's
also
true,
played
that's
Super
true.
Taxed Card. That's true as well. Size 48.
We should play this game again, man. Holy shit, we should host a Lucas server Grand Prix or something, like with prizes, and then it's like
We should
12.
play Jackbox, honestly.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Oh.
fucking once a week Jackbox, dude, it'd be so amazing.
What is Jackbox?
Yeah, good
Oh, you
luck
don't know
getting Lucas
Jackbox
to play a
is,
game.
bro. Yeah, but
I don't know what that is either.
it is pretty fun. Nexus. It is also multiplayer. Nobody's just playing with me. If we make art or something
What?
for it.
Bruh, you have people here.
Okay, but
Bro,
they don't play
Lucas,
that.
you're legit on your
Me,
private
no,
planet. You're not
yeah.
even connected
That's
to
I-
online, bro. What do you mean?
These guys don't want to play on
It's
my
on his
single
private
player
island.
game, guys.
It's on his private island, bro. It's on his private
Yeah.
island, I swear.
Yeah, true.
But don't mind if I make art or something for the stream. I mean, I do not have money to pay if that's what you. If you want somebody who would pay, I think you should go to the next person. To be honest, it's you have better luck there if that's what you're suggesting. Because I do no money have for student. Yeah. Where was I? Trying to get this. So we got the equipment here now. It doesn't show the. Let's see. It should be all right.
Cheesecake wants me to tell you, Lucas, that he has all Jackbox packs, whatever that is.
Yeah. Is there like to up Jackbox 9 or something? I think there's like up to 9 different ones. I think. It's a pretty fire game. Well, I do charge a little. No, sorry, bro. I gotta be honest. You have better time going for somebody else then. But thanks for the offer. Let's see.
Why owe you? No, it's for free.
Let's see. What we're gonna do now is that now we got the equipment, and we would like to know, kind of like, is there?
Lucas. I have stuff.
You have stuff.
Okay.
Oh, the new items.
Look at this. Okay, so I cleaned up the item stuff for you. Okay, and it should just work. All right, it should just work.
Does it work on your machine?
I don't know. Now you're asking too many questions.
Yeah, true.
You mean I can just plug and play it and it should just work?
Yeah, basically. I actually just like see if it compiles. It should compile. Yeah, it compiles. Okay, great.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah,
So,
it's like plug and play. It's not much you have to change really. It's
wait,
like a couple of.
It's same as spec. All right, Lucas. Okay, wait. Do I just take the from item?
can
Do I need to
copy
take?
it.
Do I need to take stat as well in inventory or?
Nah, I didn't change those.
Okay.
I don't believe you need to take those.
Okay, so
did
then I
nothing
will
there.
just replace all of this with that.
Yeah, but also remove STD at the top, and then move entity down, please, to below where const STD is, okay? And then also
I see.
rename the file to be item as a type.
Oh.
Do it. I dare you.
Oh, now I have to change it in all of the other places, bro.
Yeah, so it's worth it.
If it works.
By the way, you can actually remove the model and icon field. I kind of just forgot to do that, but you don't need those actually.
You already did that as well?
Yeah, just remove the model and icon field, then you can remove it in the stuff down here. I just you can do. Yeah, I just forgot to be honest. Now you're gonna remove model paths as well. Yeah.
I'm just gonna do like this. This cannot go wrong. Okay, and then I just do that, and then boom, and then I do this, and then I do that, and boom, and then boom.
Yes. All right, so that should be it. And then basically, when you want a model or icon, you can just call the function get icon or get model, basically.
Get icon, get model. Where did you put those functions?
Oh, you didn't take those functions.
Okay, wait. Okay, there, boom. Okay. That's gonna. Oh my god, this is gonna be a lot of.
It's not too much, bro. It's not too much. Okay, you only have to change out like spec to be like a bit different. You used to get. Okay, that's all you do. Should just work. It's not that much to do.
Oh. Wait. Oh.
Wait, how do I just spec? It should be just dot spec parentheses, but it doesn't show me shit. That's fire.
Yes.
Let's see, can I just go
Charlie,
that's back? Okay, can I not do parentheses inside of these things? Like, is that for real? But entities, how does it work? Because it's still the entity that I go to get this thing when I spawn something.
Yeah. Entity, spec entity kind.
Hmm.
The spec function, wait, that took in.
That is this thing. And
Yeah,
then I
wait,
do
let me-
the item like this. Item
That's what you
kind.
sent here. Item, but like the spec thing takes in an item, which is just the enum, and you do have the enum. So that like instead, now that enum is called item.kind. Okay.
What? Wait.
The type is item kind. It was already called item kind there
Yeah.
before.
Well, I guess I could. Yeah. Fine.
With maybe with an underscore as well.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
okay. And then in item, instead of doing spec, you used to get. We can fix the
spec. So I changed the namespace, or can I use the kind on its own to just do get?
No, you probably have to do item.
I cannot do this get. That doesn't work.
Nah, no. I don't think that's a good idea to do that.
Where's the MLSP?
And then you can do get model or get icon basically.
Wait, this one is supposed to be the shared one.
This is get
icon. Is it?
Yeah, that's
And
that's
then
it. And then
passing
you
the-
pass in the item kind. Yeah. And same for model, but yeah.
Okay, wait.
It's
I think
item
it's
get,
easier to do
model.
the Zig build because it will tell me the order where I get the actual LSP.
Yeah.
Let's see. So the root
Nah,
in
you can't
shared
even
needs-
just click. Nah, bro, I can just click on the path and it just sends me there. Nah.
Yeah, there's probably a plugin that you could do the same thing in here. I don't know how it works.
Yeah. There probably is.
But now
And you don't have to do dot item.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Just
this
like
one
that,
just
and then-
becomes just item.stat.
Yeah. I don't even know if you should really do an alias for that, but whatever.
I do have one, but well, whatever. Okay. Let's see, which one is the next one? It's the unable to load item that's the file not found. In root item, I looking at what? Root.
Yeah, root.
And then
Root.
Where,
I am root.
root?
I'm root. Yeah.
Actually, it's not that.
I don't get it. I don't. Lucas, okay, I don't know.
Rename. Now rename. Before you rename the item there, do rename. Actually, just remove this alias as like maybe remove the pubconst item equals item stuff, bro. Remove that line, and then you do const item as a type, you know? Yeah, because instead of doing like as you did before, now we do item.kind, okay? So the old item is the new item.kind. Yeah, for example, in shared net.sig.
Wait, let's see. Access of enum while field struct is active.
Mm-hmm.
And that's
Let's see.
from... Where does that one come from? Well, I guess this thing now. Item count. It's from the...
You know what, Lubas? If you just push this, I can just make Like I can do this.
You can
do this.
okay.
You can just-
Push that.
and then you can just look at me do it because so we don't have merge issues because I don't have time for that. What branch is it, Lucas? Or?
It's just on Lucas branch.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm. This is so dog shit. Whatever, fuck it. I don't care.
Do I look at your stream now, or what do we do here?
Yeah, sorry, I do a thing. Yeah, my bad.
Okay.
Yes. Whatever. Lucas is. Oh my god, bro. Branch dash A. Okay. I love Git. Git is such a shit tool.
Bro, can we get a better version control system, please?
Yeah,
I beg
honestly. Okay, we do CSR, client source, Zig build. Great. Is nice one, nice one. Right, I don't have this. We have to go to this project is so spread out, bro. Man, did it even like pull? Did you push Luger? Did
Oh
you
wait, I
push
may
a
have
directory?
yeah from client.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, indeed, cheesecake.
Get there.
Yeah. Okay. Git pull. Just close all these disgusting files. Shared. We have to just quickly add this. By the way, now your freezer is gone, I believe. Also.
Yeah.
I can
What?
add that back.
Yeah, it's just,
Freezer.
yeah, and then just don't need the flat. You can also remove the flat default. Just say freeze time for 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
In like an area or globally across the entire.
We'll do globally first. I think Vulkan just add the area later. You can remove the flat region as well. It doesn't give you region. No, the freezer. The heart gives you region.
Oh.
Yeah. No, delete the whole thing. Yeah, the default, but it's anyways default to initialized by, well, okay.
You want that? Yeah, you want that.
Just leave it. Just leave it.
Okay, so basically here, I don't know what the hell is wrong there. Okay, item kind, this is now items len. This here is now, that's over here. No, that's over. Item not marked as public. Oh my god, bro, this shit is so shit. What? Do you have a log function? Okay. Item. Okay, so you have stat. We're gonna remove that because that's retarded.
What's that?
Yeah, because it's on the item already, bro. We don't need aliases for that shit. Wow, this is so helpful. Type. Yeah. It's like giving me this, right? But it's not giving any information, bro.
Type in for
Can we
E
do...
at enum fields LAN. I assume it's from the networking,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure.
But this is like enum indexer, right? Which is enum array, I guess. So we can just search enum array in here. That's not in here. Great. Enum array. Not here.
No. No. shaders.
Here probably
No.
somewhere.
Item.sig.
But that is an enough. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, sometimes the Zig compiler is really awful, to be honest. Like this, Andrew Kelly did not cook on this. Like anyone working on Zig,
Update
please.
inventory. There happens in the net.sig.
Where?
Wait.
Net.
Net.sig. Line 201. Yeah.
But I mean, the fact that it doesn't show you the error messaging, you have to do something every single time. Think of every developer has to spend time doing that, scrolling up every single time across every single, error.
Yeah, I mean
ever.
that, but it's also is that it's not really telling you anything actually. Like, yeah, sure, I get that the standard library has issues, right? But like, can I see my code, please?
Oh yeah, okay. Well, if it's standard library issues, then good things. Time to make your own.
But like the standard library is having issues because my code is wrong, right? But it's not telling me where. So
Shared entity
okay.
253. Spawn. Union.
let's see. All right. Mm-hmm. Okay, something there, I guess. What the fuck is this god awful place?
This is so I can.
Right. Yeah, like I don't know why it's there. It's just god awful.
It is god awful. I know, I agree, but it's the only way I've figured out to make it work.
Right. Yeah, also you're gonna have a lot of issues with files because now you're gonna be forced to actually naming the files correctly. I know.
Yeah, that's fine.
So-
It's just uppercase or lowercase pretty much on the first letter.
Yeah. My goodness. There's so much coercion I have not tested, I guess. Yeah, okay. Kinda retarded by me, to be honest.
What do you mean it's an AI smart?
This is not AI, bro.
Oh.
Comp time var. Mm-hmm. These issues are the most annoying, to be honest. Perhaps.
What
Looking
if
back.
I could offer you something you don't know you want?
What?
You played Half-Life Alyx, Lucas?
No, I haven't played it.
Impressive work, Miss that.
I've heard it's a really good game, and then I was maybe trying.
Don't you have VR as well? What the frick?
Yeah, I do have it. But I kind of was over using VR when it got released. I was like, I don't know if I want to play VR anymore.
This feels just like C++.
Hey.
Oh god. You know what the Ouroboros is? It's a
What?
snake eating its own tail. The this eternal, cycle of rebirth. It's like a
Yeah.
story archetype where you defeat the ruler, evil ruler, but then you become the evil ruler yourself.
Yeah.
Right? Zig will be, inshallah, Zig will be C++ one day. Yeah.
Wait, it's supposed to happen.
But worse or something. I don't know. Andrew Kelly will preside over it.
Yeah. No, here I get the item spec and I just get the flat values and then I get the percentile values of that so I can use it to get the total amount of stats for.
Yeah, very retarded.
I don't know, you kind of need to go through every item to get the total stats that you got of health, for example.
Sure, buddy. Very interesting.
Holy. Oh, damn it. What the frick? Need to.
Yes, more inline for loops. I don't know how you got away without doing that before.
That's actually it's because you can use the spec table to look it up. Otherwise, now you cannot.
But I don't see why this would be. Because before you were iterating an enum, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and now we're trying to iterate an enum, but now it doesn't work. Okay, but whatever. No way. Why?
That's the only two places though that it uses items for the UI.
Yeah, but because of how compile time works, we now have to do all this.
Oh shit.
Wow, even more indentation. I love it.
Yeah, no.
Like,
wait. Where do you see bad indentation? I want to see. Wait.
everywhere, bro. You don't need to, like, it's everywhere.
You need to change the amount also.
What?
You put if amount, then render items.
True. I don't get these bullshit errors. Like, can they please, bro? Wow.
Yeah, I mean, there's some actual information if you scroll up, right?
No, there's nothing here.
Let's see.
There's a big lack of useful information, actually.
Attempts.
It's like here.
Sim.zig.
You probably still need the other inline function because I iterate items twice in the UI.
Actually, now why am I looking at that? In UI.
Yeah, in UI. In the game. That's Zig. There you have it. HUD game.zig. Down. The game.zig there.
Oh yeah.
And then you go to there, that one. And it's the same logic there for if amount is 0.
Yeah. This isn't gonna be great for the binary size, but who cares?
Wait. What's not going to be good for binary size?
Like everything here, bro.
No, but you're like what unrolling, iterating over every item or something on time.
Yeah, like everywhere.
Because it becomes inline every item.
Yeah, but that's like nothing, right?
Okay, it's
like
still, it's a few bytes to be honest.
Oh my god!
But still,
Oh, that's so funny.
few buys adds up.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, now it's actually trying to give me actual useful information.
I thought it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you what you're probably doing. Okay, let's see.
Also, because please don't do useless aliases, okay?
But item dot okay, I guess it's always stat, but stat is not always associated with item.
Blah blah blah.
Mm.
Okay, and now we also go to the server. Trying to Sig build. But you know, Lubas, if it's not always related to item, maybe you should have put it in some better place.
I used to have it separated,
So,
but it was just item was
So-
it's heavily related to it, but it's only one place where I don't have it related. I was like, it's good enough to have it there. But I guess it kind of makes sense that it's item stats. I guess maybe. Do you also need inline there, or?
Yeah, probably will need inline here.
Why is it the continue doesn't work with compile time?
Because it's runtime based values, and because this doesn't be this isn't a for loop, right? So you can't do continue.
It just expands, right?
Yeah, you can only do continue with compile time known stuff, basically.
Yeah. So if a constant is always 1, continue.
Yeah, basically.
Right.
Right.
Has no member.
I don't know, like Sig errors aren't very intuitive.
No, but it's getting there. It's getting there. A bit of
Good.
trial of an error. Trial of error.
Trial of error.
That sounds like some kind of movie.
Kind of.
Watching Harold debug Planetary Sigma Trial of Error series.
True.
I think we should make such a series. Pure entertainment.
Yes.
Harold is going, what the fuck?
Trial by.
Yeah, like bro, what the fuck is this?
Indentation. You know I love indentation.
In a world
And then
without specification.
It's already fixed.
And then Audiotrope just doing the documentary voiceover.
Indeed.
I would pay to watch such a series.
Yeah.
I would not.
No, you would be the actor.
Yeah. Okay, Sig build run.
Yeah, the server is running.
Yeah, great. And then we go here. Sig build run.
All of the.
And it crashes. Init Steamworks.
You need Steam running.
I probably just don't. No. Well, I have Steam running.
What was that?
Also, you're gonna have microtransactions in this game, Lucas.
Bro, it's Pessy, alright?
Microtransactions.
Oh wait! Oh, it's Pessy! Okay, wait. But oh my god! I just had a realization. You guys know Tiger Beetle, the financial transaction engine with Zig, right? That's made partly for game economies, right? Wouldn't it be fire to integrate that with to be like handle the game economy? You know, for when you're gonna add hats and skins and loot boxes into the game.
That sounds like a terrible idea.
Sounds like a great idea.
I mean, I would probably use Steam's internal way of doing it when I already have it. You know, Steamworks.
True.
But besides that, yeah, I mean, depending on how the project goes, if it gets really good, you know, one could do the next project with that kind of scope in mind or scale, you know.
Yeah. Planning? What the fuck? No. We can.
Yeah, jag ska dra.
I
really like the organization.
Yeah, I should put another subdirectory for those as well.
Yeah, I don't know. It compiles, but I'm gonna push this. So yeah, I hope you like it.
Okay. Fire. Let's see. Let's try it out. Thank you very much.
Yes. So now the items actually won't be sucky yucky. They'll actually be like less sucky yucky.
Less sucky yucky.
They'll only be they'll be mucky lucky.
Let's see. Wow. We got that's impossible to read. Oh my god.
Mm. Call it a feature.
Cross here. What? File not found?
Yeah, you probably doesn't crosshair.
That one is not even a
Item.
texture crosshair. That should be there.
Yeah, I hope you like all the errors you're gonna have now.
This is gonna be great. Textures
Yeah.
crosshair.png. It is there, but it's not found. Interesting. From load file, yes, it's table. Texture loader line 80. Oh, that's gonna be great.
Look, can you search the entire code base for crosshair.png?
Or better yet, put it in Claude and ask Claude to search the entire code base for it. Fire.
It is pretty good at finding it. There.
Why the hell do you have that as a constant up there, bro? God
Because
damn.
it's only I only need it once for the
Hashtag retarded. Yes, I'm getting water and bread, baby.
We're always in prison. Why is he eating? Whatever. Doesn't matter.
Did you remove the crosshair loading? Line, what was it for line? It was line 80. Texture loader. Blank image. Well, that one shouldn't. I think it's lying to me. That should not be it. Let's see. Texture table.
Okay, I have acquired the daily rations of prison food.
Daily rations. Prison's food. Damn.
Prison food.
Prisons.
Prison food. He's in the crystal prison.
It's not handle.
No, my prison is made of concrete.
That's right descriptor. Okay, what we'll do quickly just to see that I want to make sure that's it. I'm just gonna do this. Boom. And then it's complaining that this thing is not used. Okay, what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna go down to here.
Why is it doing this? Weird. Whole angle.
What? Now I commented out, so let's cross here. Let's see, crosshair show through, crosshair texture, cross here. Yeah, it should still be there though. The HUD options. Odd. Texture table. Okay. Files. Oh. It's probably doing texture and textures wise. Right. Okay, so that's what you changed. Okay.
What? What did I change?
Don't worry, I think I got it. It's lying. What? It's not lying. Public. Pub handle. Public texture table. Did I undo the wrong thing? Oh, fucking hell. Accidentally pasted. But why? I'm not even pressing those buttons and it says like, yeah, you probably did this thing. Okay. Okay. Now file not found on what? That's so good. Load line 80. It doesn't tell me which which thing is did not find. Just says file not found. That's great. That's great. That's great. Let's see. Loader Zig 80. Loader and the line 80, and that's this one. And then can I just print that before it does it? std log debug. I think I already got it also in the, if I go to assets, right? I think the music just died. I haven't paid attention yet. Ah, there it is. And then we have the load here, load file, which goes through here, open there, and then we table load. And then just file, open file, loader files, file index. Cannot do that. Error argument. But it should be able to, let's see. Folder files, file index. Why is it telling me that it doesn't find? I would like to know what it's. Oh, it's probably trying to find something. Fuck. It doesn't tell me which one it's trying to open. I would like to know. Well, I guess I can get it from here. Subpaths. I could print that. I could get it from there, probably. And then just change this to, is that what are subpaths? Are they just, yeah, they're just that. So I should be able to do this, loading that, and we should, based on that, be able to get the information, right? No, fuck. Expected tuple struct argument found const u8 array. But that one should already give me just the, can I just say it? That's weird. Or will that now just give me a bunch of binary data? That
Deadlock.
Harold, how do I just get... Isn't this how you do it? If there's an array of U8, isn't this how I print a string? Just putting
Harold, how do I get out of prison? Oh, okay.
I think, is Harold dead? Oh, he's definitely, damn.
Nah, he's been dead a few times, I've seen.
10 point...
Okay, anyways.
What the fuck? Local lips to right. Expected tuple struct found. Expected. Am I typing it incorrectly? That should be. Ah, I see what I do wrong. So skybox cube map PNG.
Wait, is the items working?
No, skybox cube map .png is not found from textures. Okay. Let's see, textures, assets. But that should be skybox cube map.png. It's right there. So the first texture that it tries to load, it doesn't find. Oh, it says loading.png. Where the fuck did it get that from? why is it trying to find a loading.png? Or just a .png? Did you change how it cut the... path? Harold? Is it definitely again? God damn it. Load. Table, unload, decode. Okay, I'm gonna go with this thing. Load. Load gets called from load here. Okay, so then it can only get the path from here. And that's from init of the resources. And then from resources we do the here, the bottom texture table, init textures. Yes. And then it is the first thing that shows up. Oh, the first one that shows textures. Let's see. Well, that's blank, that's not it. Then it does this, and then it does that. Alright, so that just initializes texture table, and then we go to models, and then actual texture loader, we create and initialize it. We have a skybox file, which should be just skybox.png, and then we have crosshair texture len, and this one is apparently just incorrect. Well, what I will do, I will duplicate it real quick just to see that this will not make it public. Do that. Git, put it there. Let's see. Hello, Mimi Jack. How are you? How did you find the stream? Or how did you get here? Let's see. Now, Skybox crosshair oxygen tank. Oxygen underscore tank not found. Loading texture. Yeah, it needs. Oh. We need to append the .png, right, for these things, because right now it's trying to find a file called oxygen tank and not .png. Let's see, how are the items done? And when you ask for, I'm looking to see some more new products, still haven't something fun to see. What you working on? I'm working on my own game. I have a help of a few other very talented people. Harold just submitted some cool stuff that we're integrating. But let's see, items, and then get icon paths, and then here we can see this part. We still need, we do need to add the dot. So dot ng, and let's run that. Yes, good. Crit.png does not exist. textures. What do I call it? Oh, right, because it's actually called scope. That's true. Let's take a look at it. Let's go to here, and then we can go up here, and instead of calling it grid, we're gonna call it scope. And then we're gonna go back in here, and we're gonna go into textures, scope, rename that to become lowercase s. So that's great. What's the vibe? Right now, just very focused trying to get this thing to work properly. Freezer.png. We do not have a freezer. Fuck, Harold. Jesus, bro. Now you're forcing me to make the actual icons without having them. What we'll do is that we're gonna go in here and we're gonna take the default item. And what the fuck am I doing? Okay. I'm gonna paste. Can I not? Okay, what the fuck? Can I copy? And I'm gonna call it freezer.png. And then we'll run that. And there we go. Now we're using Harold's new implementation of the items, apparently. Let's see how good it goes. Oh, it crashed immediately. Attempt to use null value. Texture table handle crosshair texture path. How is that a null value? We are not getting rid of the dynamic library immediately after that. Everything would crash. It's interesting that it's a null value. Let's see, we can go to game 277. Okay, I don't know how I got there, and I don't know how to get out, so I'm gonna do this good. Systems hard and game 2. Was it 227 or what was it? Okay, it wasn't that. It was 227. There it was. So for some reason this is a null handle, even though it shouldn't be. Should be persistently loaded in memory. Interesting. What I could do instead is I could just say crosshair.png. I probably need to provide texture, but let's see. We'll run it like this first. How long have you been working on it? I don't know, 10 months or so? We reset it like a few months, 6 months ago or something like that. Let's see. Attempt to use null value. Fail to respond. Blah, blah, blah. Get path. Crosshair.png. 181. Okay, so it actually didn't have, maybe, no, okay, this one wasn't a null, the return value was a null, so when it said get, it didn't find something that matched the path. And then it just automatically gave me a null. And then path self. So this one should contain all of those. That's interesting. Let me do this. For self paths, we'll do that. Just want to see them all printed once. std bug debug file, and we're gonna provide s dum s, and then here we're gonna provide the value. So we can't do too much about it. And let's see, what the fuck did I do wrong? Do right. What? Solid, are you building it solo or with a team? I do have people who are helping me out. Let's see, type hash constant iterators. Okay. So I need to do, I can do that values. That works. Or is it that values? Value iterator. There should be just getting entry. I could do iterator, I guess. Oh, we will have to do iterator. I swear to God, there should be a dot values. Unlock pointer. Okay, not that. Yeah, no, I do have people who help me out a lot. So, thank you for the people who, you know who you are. They do very cool stuff. And then I'm just, well, yeah. We're building it together in that sense. Let's see, it. and then it, and then we got what? Fuck? Iterator.
No, Dana. The goat.
While. And then we'll do next. What the fuck? What? Oh my god. Next, we'll capture the entry, and then we can.
Yo, Donald. Bye, Donald.
Yeah.
Huh?
We want this thing.
Did the windowing work on Windows or you still don't know?
And expected type found.
Yes.
Ah. Okay, let's try. And let's see. Expected type conjugate found point. Right. Wait. Const. That's nice. Does your team already have an artist on board, or are you still figuring that out? Well, we do have artistic people with us who are really good, but no, not really yet. Wait.
Yeah, like Harold and me, you know.
Yeah. File here. So it's okay. So it needs the textures prefix. Okay. It should have been that by before then. It's weird. I'm just gonna do it hard coded right now. Let's see. Boom. Okay, there we are. And now it's asking for it every frame and printing it. That's fire. We probably don't want that. So we're just gonna do that. Comment that out. I don't think that will actually update because that is not part of the. Oh, it did. Trace it. And let's see if I get a. Up there, it crashed immediately. Let's see. Why is it now crashing? String to enum. Let's keep an eye on the project. All right, all right. That's cool. That's cool. Let's see. Update world inner drain render generated estimate a string to Vulkan. Okay, so now we need to figure that out. Vulkan. Line 998, or what was it? String to enum here, generated path. And what is the path? But that's interesting because those can only happen in two cases: the projectile or default. But why would it? It shouldn't not. What fuck? Okay, so it tried to get the model handle ends with GLB, and then it failed to get it, and then it assumed that it was something like this, which was even worse. I assume that was what happened. Yeah. Okay, but we do have the path here. std log debug path. God. Should be printing it like crazy. Yeah, okay, so Now when we get an item, it's attempting to use object gun, not the GLB extension. Okay. We'll go here, items, and then get model path. It's from here, and then we'll just provide a ++ .glb. So, and that should fix it. No? Oh, probably because now when we load it, we are getting the same problem that we do loading glb.glb. Or oxygen tank glb, hold on. Oxygen tank.glb not found. Oh, so much. Okay. So assets, objects, and we should have an oxygen tank. Wait, it's there. What? Oxygen tank.glb. Because it loads this one completely fine, with an oxygen tank.glb just died. What? Oxygen tank.glb. Oxygen. I didn't typo it. Oh, I did. So rename. Kind of move. Oxygen. And then there's the fuck. And there's the scope. Scope. Let's do this. Assets, objects, and that one. How do I? Isn't F2 for rename? Okay, good. And then we have icicle is probably gonna be lowercase as well. And we have big explore, deployed bend pillar, light candle, oxygen, energy, speed, attack, Q. We are not caring about any of those. There's one freezer. Yeah, there's no such thing as that. Let's see, where is just item? Freezer.trb. Okay. Okay, it seems to be all right. Let's see, not do any of those. Wow. And then if I give myself a, where the fuck is it there? That's not where it was supposed to be. Ah. Let's see, we're gonna go to game, and then we're gonna leave that. I don't care. Let's see here. If is equipment, it should be added to null. But it's not. Instead, it just is added to this thing. Oh wait, it's not an equipment. Most likely, probably that's the thing. Let's go back to here. Yeah, it's not an equipment. Is equipment equals true? And well, for some doesn't that hot reload then? This time for 10 seconds. Let's see if I change this to 20. Oh, okay. Right, but that's weird because the update loop should be up hot reloaded. Oh, okay. So it's not. No member name game.sig. Okay, so that part of the loop did not get updated. That's why. Okay. Let's go into here, and then it's get icon item find, and then we cannot do that, so well, that's funny. Harold, oh, he's still deafened. God damn it. Let's see, because if this, oh, okay, I guess I could just do. Well, I don't know if that will that work. Okay. Okay, that was fine. Good. There it is. Boom, now it's at the bottom. Seems to be alright. Seems to be alright. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's make ourselves invincible for a second. And now that we actually got that, crazy. We're gonna take this to here. We can close that one. And what we can do now in here is that what we can do, we need a way to kind of track if freeze time is enabled. Right now it's just a simple equipment, but I think we should probably have a better way of doing it. But right now it's fine because it's gonna be affecting globally for now. So I think the world is gonna be just gonna keep it in one of its fields. Quite simple like that. I think it's fine because the world should be aware about its event. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a world stun. Right, yeah, we're gonna do a world stun. It's right now just meant for the players anyways, so it doesn't really matter. World, let's say unstun. Unstun at 32, and then we'll just give it a default value, even though I don't do it for anything else, but this is just a quick test. Unstun. Bruh. So we're gonna do it there, and then, yeah. Let's see. That will do nothing, but we'll have the data for be something. So I'm gonna make myself invincible again. And what we'll do now is we'll go into the player controller. And in here, we do already do a lot of checks in here. Let's see, here you do the chest, or the presses. It's kind of, it's a bit interesting that to do it in here. It doesn't really need body ID for this. I think I would do it in here. If a player input that is, I do not have Q. Do I have something that is just arbitrarily in here? No, I do not. Look into left shift, why not? And player dot inventory dot get, and I will ask for the freezer. Slot with 0. World dot world unstun at world elapsed time plus, and then we'll do, well, let's not do a whole, let's do 1 second. And then we'll save that, and we can go to gameplay, and then in the enemy update here, or world unstun at is larger than world elapsed time, will also return. So that should already just make a global kind of like, I do, let's see, it was shift. So right now if I press shift, nothing will happen because they are, I don't have the item. If I give myself the item and I press shift now, they all get stunned for 1 second there. You see, the flying enemies will fall down. And yeah, now we can just increase the time. We just need also to probably use a different keybind than shift. But let's say we're actually gonna do it for 10 seconds. So yeah. So now if I go in here and I press shift, all of them should be stunned for 10 seconds. So it's a pretty good equipment. I guess we could do it based on radius as well. So we could go in here, and we could go, for example, and check it out over here. We do have, we'll take this away from here, and here we get the enemy, and then we check if it's not stunned. I guess this could also be in the same check if we're gonna do this. If we actually need to get the range from the player before we do this check. Let's see, where do we get? We actually could do it on any of the players. Yeah. Wait a minute, because we go through here, we get current player, and if it's dead, well then the stun wouldn't apply, no distance here. And if the player distance, then we'll continue, but then we'll also do here, if, well, I actually just, fuck, I wanna break out of the dam. I wanna go like back to here with that logic. Well, this would either way give the closest player, so it would be kind of masked. It's fine. If world stun and closest distance is less than 5, continue. Then we don't want to do anything with this enemy. So let's see. So now this should only apply to enemies nearby. For, let's wait. I don't think it does. Did I do the logic wrong? Hold on. Let's see. If stun duration is larger than elapsed time, true, and closest distance is less than 5. Let's do a bit larger, 10. 5 is actually pretty small. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it seems to do it now. Yeah, so now it's like kind of like a radius effect for nearby things for 10 seconds. Just get stunned immediately. So it's not global. Yeah, so you can see it on those flying ones. If I press shift now and I go close here, they fall down. And now those two will fall. Yes, and if I go to the boss, or these bosses, they fall down. I think it's pretty cool. I think I would put it as radius, so things that are nearby. So it's kind of like for a melee, you kind of would, well, you could also do it on a range, you know. Anything that is nearby automatically just gets idle. It's not a stun, because I do not send a stun packet for them. I could do that as well. We could change this to be more or less like a... let's see, we can take it from here, we'll do this, and we go here, continue. Yes, oops. And then here we'll also do a world out No, what? I do have, what is it called? I know I do it. I don't remember what I call it because fuck. Move on planet, and then it should be a send. It's just sent out. It should be sent outgoing. I don't know why I'm not receiving any. Send. Pending despawn lapse time. No. Wait. Okay, let's see. What do I do here? Attack. Stat. Yeah, and then here, client updates. Okay, that's what I call it. Oh, that's actually gonna do that. So client updates, append assume capacity. What we're gonna send is a event, stun, duration. Well, that's the time left of the oh, it will be sending it all the time now. Yeah, that's gonna be real bad. It's really bad. Ooh. But we can do it for fun testing right now, just to see also the effect happen. We're gonna do world stun at subtraction world elapsed time. And then what we're gonna do is the ID is the enemy ID. So let's see, expected after argument. What did I forget? I forgot there are 1, 2, 3, missing one of those. This one goes with that one. Yeah, so now it should play this. Well, I don't have a stun animation, but they do T-pose. Yeah. Well, you can barely see it. Let me kill everything. Let's try again. Okay, so these. Okay, come on. Okay, these smaller guys, they will start T-posing now because they are stunned nearby. That's crazy. Let's kill everything again. But yeah, I don't think the stun animation is worth that much. Right now, I should probably just make it a little bit better if I wanted to show a stun animation for it. Yeah, it's pretty fire. Pretty fire. We actually got it. We got a stun item that activates when you press shift and you can't see it, but it does happen. You probably need to do some visual indication for the player to know that yeah, you got stunned. Yay. I'm gonna add a Q press because this is bad. This is bad. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It's real bad. Let's see, we're gonna go into here and we're gonna go into the networking. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a new command in input over here, and it's just gonna be called Q. Simple like that. So now we can access Q. When we do access Q, we can now change this to be Q. Shit, we cannot do that. Why not? Oh, 16-bit. Really? Backing interbit width does not match total bit with field. Really? Is U16 not enough anymore? Ah, wait. I'm using the padding correctly. Alright, let's try again. So we got this, make ourselves invincible real quick, and let's take a look at this thing. We're gonna change it to be in player controller Q. And let me just move real quick. Whoa, I should get
Holy shit, I was so locked in. Insane.
Oh my god, I'm actually like stuck here. I'm gonna kill everything and respawning. Okay, now let's get something close, and then now if I press shift.
Because do the flying monsters still
Q.
have the same logic?
Oh wait, I need item. And now I press Q, so it does.
Lucas, have a flying objects monster still the same logic?
Yeah, they do have the same logic. Or what do you mean by same logic?
Like the one we gave us?
Yeah, the one that we worked on. Yeah,
Like overflowed.
yeah.
Right.
I don't know why my stun is not working. Did I do... Ah, I know why it's not working. I can't register my Q press. I just added it as a field, but I never do anything with it. I was like, what? Let's see. Oh, how am I supposed to... Oh god, I hate these things. I need to add them all. No. I hate bindings. Who did them? Who dares to do bindings? Do I actually have to do them now? Action, bindable actions. Okay, thank god I don't have to do bindable actions for this one yet. Okay. Q, equipment. Equipment. Okay. Boom. Now it will complain in all of the cases. Self dot. For this one, just equipment. What we'll do, it will say self dot. What the fuck?
Is the new items working and all that stuff?
Yeah, it is working.
All right, and the windows.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even hot reloading still works.
Great.
Yes. And then set is equipment is what? Okay, that's that. Self dot. Wait, this is not it's not supposed to be here. You're not supposed to be able to do a binding for it, but yet it's here. Bindable actions, alright. Why is it like... What? I'm so confused about that. This system needs some... Do I just say equipment, or what do I do now with this thing? Do I just say use equipment is equal to binding? And I just change this one also for back to equipment. Like so, is that it? And then apply action. Oh my god, I think this system is like not good. Isn't this one the use, or is it actually equipment? This one's good. Okay, great. Self dot input map dot keys q is equal to rest, and then equipment use equipment. Alright, I don't know. That should be it, right? No? Okay, it's not it. Options 224. Equipment, what is this? Bind. Use. Wait. Fear time. Oh, hello, Daniel. Have you? I saw you sent something on Discord. I haven't just read it. Okay, let's make myself invincible. Give myself the item, and now if I press Q, it works. Our equipment works. They just fall to the ground. They get stunned by being nearby. Technology. Haha. We need a melee character now. Just because of this equipment, we need a melee character, guys.
Wait, does it work?
Yeah.
I was so long gone.
Yeah, it works. Pressing Q activates the stun equipment right now. Or freezer.
Well, I mean the time freeze, yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
can you
Or
make
it's only for like if you move out of range, it's only like nearby, so it doesn't like permanently. If you move out of range, it doesn't apply it anymore. Well, I'm gonna dip
Can
again.
you
All
activate
right.
it once?
Take care, Donald. What?
Can you activate it once?
Yeah, I think it's most visible on those flying shits. They fall down to the ground because they don't have the force to get pushed up without.
Ah, bro, I can quit.
You can quit.
It's too much.
All right, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Donald did a PR. Let's see, also DM me. Window build is broken. I made a mistake with the hash for utilities that broke too. Beautiful single player. And you have some kind of leak. What? Window works fine though. I got a leak? Let's see, it's in. Okay. Let's see, for PRs? Did he do a PR? Oh wait, I'm in the wrong here. PR, let's see. It's called Magic. And it has the file changes to make it work on bimbos. He moved things around, and that makes it work on Windows. Now that's crazy. Let's see, I think link. Let's see at import Wayland link library x common. You forgot to say no homo. Oh shit. I said loves and kisses to him after I said thank you, and now he said you forgot to say no homo, so I might be cooked, boys.
Yeah.
Did he take the latest? I'm trying to see create module optimized. What did he change so it actually? Did he just change the order of how he just moved it down? Did nothing else? What? What the fuck? Okay. That's crazy. I think there's more. There's more. Let's see. I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. Let's just get rid of those prints because we do not need them anymore. Boom. Take that, and then I'm gonna go to. Wait, which one is that loads? It should be. It shouldn't even be in here, but because it's the. Let's see. Search. Wow. Search grep. Search grep. Space. Nothing. Hey, it's path colon. You can do that. Path colon. There it is. Let's remove that as well. All right. And yeah. Oh, that's pretty much it for today. I think we didn't make the actual what's it called, model, but we did the logic. I'm better at doing the logic. I'm not that good at doing the models. Clearly can see from let's find the portal. Where's the portal? There it is. If I just start spawning a lot of items into the game, look at all of those models. You can clearly see that I'm an artist, not really. I'm becoming super strong now. Yeah, get hacked. Yeah, I'll suck. The spawner is just a bit too powerful right now. It spawns like crazy. A little bit of fancy. Where's the boss anyways? It should be a big helper. There it is. Fire, fire, fire. Sure. I think it's pretty satisfying. And we got the stun thereby. Shoo. Or freeze. Shoo. Shoo. All right. Oh, that's gonna be it. Is Harold here? No, it's not. All right. Teacher, do you want to hit it?
Well,
All right.
see
That
ya,
will
see
be.
ya.
Bye bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bro, I was so logged in for this. I don't know, 1 hour. It's actually insane. Ah.